We have this one time. We also got this. And we got this one. Gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Diyos sa mag-ingat kayo sa mga tao na mapansamantala. Okay, kasi itong tao na to naghahanap siya ng timing to actually steal money or abundance. We also have this one in either way. We also have the mask in either way. So far naman, gusto sabihin ng Diyos na pinipigilan niya tong tao na to na gumawa ng kasamaan. At saka pinipilit niya rin na ialis yung maskara na nilagay niya sa kanya sarili. Kasi this is somebody who play mind games on others. Nagpapanggap siguro siya na mabuting tao kahit na hindi. We also have the oops here. And we also got this key, okay? So, I'm sensing itong tao na to, mangyari sa kanya is mag-i-sleep tongue siya. Meaning, baka may masabi siya at maging obvious na after siya sa kayamanan. So, kung sino man to guys, baka manggagamit siya or pwede siya yung tipong tao na magnanakaw. And yeah, this person will be somebody who will accidentally expose themselves. At hindi nila yung mapipigilan kasi pinipilit sila ng Diyos na magsabi ng katotohanan at pinipilit sila ng Panginoon na mapigilan din. Okay? So, I feel na you have to prepare for tape recorders. Kasi yun nga, baka may masabi siya. Tsaka screenshot na rin kasi magagamit nyo yan someday. So, anyway, that's it with your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight about your situation and God bless all of you.